Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Got a camper van back last week. Wheels are on, I'll show you. Got the wheels on. Got the wheels on, but obviously it's ripped the arch off and that got ruined. Corner bit, ripped the middle bit off. Jordan's here helping me. And then I bought new end caps. And I bought new bumper. It was 75 quid for all three, so not too bad. The original arch is going back on. So we're going to dismantle this and fit new ones on. I've got to take it for about a 50-mile run and then take it back to the garage, get wheel nuts re-torqued up. Right, we'll crack on with this. Managed to do it?
No.
Door open a bit more, is that?
So what's that bungee doing?
It's just holding the door shut.
Oh.
It's just to stop it from flying open when I was doing it, wasn't it?
Didn't they normally have a catch? You press
Well,
it.
yeah, they do, yeah, but...
This is Dean's catch.
What's that bungee doing? What's that? Oh, that to get to the...
I'm not even sure if this is a screw, but it just makes sense, doesn't it? Because it's on the...
I was doing some fanning of that.
Don't have a go then.
Hold that. Let me get my eyes in, because I can't see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, see what you mean. Yeah, I don't know if that's what to do with it. Yeah, it is, it's just a bung, that is. It's just a bung, that is, they know, bro. Oh crap. Need a big screwdriver to ram it in. Watch what you film now.
Why is it filming?
Yeah. I need to, in fact it doesn't matter if I just fucking pop that out, does it, like that?
No.
There we go, that's that one off. Let me shift my strap. Let me shift my bungee strap. A bit of brute force. Come on, you bitch. Need something to hit it with. We've got a hammer. There's a rubber hammer in here somewhere. Oh, there we go. Ask and the Lord shall provide. Yep. If in dirt, give it a flat. Bits of plastic everywhere. It's this bit under here that's like, because it's like bloody wedged, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like, because they lowered it. We'll get that bit of cord out it all the way. The problem is, as it's squashed it, as they go to the ramp, it's bloody knocked it all away. We'll persevere. Yep, it's recording straight away. Take me bits of plastic off. Alright, save them. I need to get a bit of plastic. I'm not doing that, I'll rip my bloody hands to bits out with them. Not like coat on, no. Is that it? Yep, that's alright. Need to get that off there now, don't we? Man, that's about off, to be fair. There you go, that's that one off. And that's just that screw round there, isn't it, to do?
Yeah.
Yep, that's that off. Right then. When you're over 50, you make noises when you go up. It's the law, that is. Keep that in the pocket so I can forget where it is later.
How dare you!
There you go, Jordan, where you put my screw.
Oh, yeah. Until I've got my eyes in, I'm like, almost put a screw in there, haven't we? Oh, look at that. What are they here? I'm going to get all the backing. That's going to be fun. I like that. Bottom end first. Right. Alright, so we've dismantled it. So we've got bumper off the screws out there. We've got the bumper off there. Hello. Alright, it's about an hour later. Managed to get the arch on. Just siliconed that on and screwed it on. A couple of screws in to hold it on. Get them for nice new shiny wheel nuts. Oh dear, excuse me. Right, get this hand cap on now. And so that bumper out. Here he is. brand new end caps. And it's absolutely Baltic. Right, I'll crack on. Catch you in a bit. I spent 300 quid last weekend on a limo. But I didn't realise that 300 quid didn't include the driver. So I spent all that money and I've got nothing to show for it.
Nice.
I'll leave that one with you. Bye for now. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I think my battery's dead. Found that now. That's on. I might put one in. To be fair, that's quite solid, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll leave it at that then. That'll do. Oh dear. Have a look. Like that. Don't get me bracket. Right, there's corner bumper, and there's the old thing. Probably should have sprayed it black before I put it on like, but hey ho. Oh, brand new. Job's a good one. Right folks, I'm going to end that video there. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.